Welcome to L&M Precision Products, a trusted leader in precision machining since 1962. Located in northwestern Toronto, Canada, we are proud to be an employee-owned, non-union precision screw machine jobbing shop with ISO 9001 registration since 1997. Our expansive facility spans over 64,000 square feet and is home to a highly skilled team of machinists operating a diverse array of production equipment. We supply a wide range of industries, including welding, plumbing, and automotive, among many others. Our primary manufacturing capabilities include CNC Swiss and turning centers, Hydromat rotary-transfer machines, multi-spindle Wickman and Davenport machines, some equipped with Cucchi bar loaders, and single-spindle Brown Sharpe machines. We also offer assembly services and a suite of secondary operations such as drilling, milling, and various types of grinding. Our dedicated quality control team employs advanced equipment and rigorous standards to meet ISO requirements, ensuring that we consistently meet or exceed our customers' expectations. We are well-versed in compliance programs such as conflict minerals, CUSMA, and CBAM, etc., which are increasingly important in today's industry. Our experienced engineering team provides valuable analysis for every project, offering design tips and suggestions that enhance functionality and reduce costs. With our proven system for on-time delivery, we guarantee that customers receive their products as needed, including a valuable stock and release program. For over 60 years, L&M Precision has thrived through strong leadership, exceptional quality, and unmatched customer service. From small volume single release orders to large volume multi-release contracts, we set the industry standard for customer satisfaction. Connect with us today to learn how we can partner on your next project.